Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Gate.io to OKX. So step 1, open your Gate.io app or site and log in. Step 2, go to the wallet section, then withdraw, and select USDT. Step 3, open your OKX app or site and go to assets, then deposit, then USDT. Step 4. Choose the correct network, such as TRC20, which is usually the cheapest, and then copy your deposit address. Step 5. Paste the address that you copied into Gate.io's withdrawal field. Choose the same network and enter the amount. Step 6. Complete the withdrawal verification steps and wait a few minutes for the blockchain to process the transfer. Take note that always double check the network and address because mistakes here can result in permanent loss of funds. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.